Macron announces major overhaul to modernise the Louvre Museum. French President Emmanuel Macron revealed plans for a significant modernisation of the Louvre Museum. The overhaul aims to enhance visitor experience and preserve priceless artworks for future generations. A dedicated room for the iconic Mona Lisa will be part of the museum's extensive renovations. This multi-year project includes long-term investments to ensure the Louvre remains a cultural hub. Stay tuned for updates on the Louvre's transformation.